What's up guys, this is Will of Will H Tech Review back with another video, and today we're taking a look at a 4-in-1 card reader. This is the Lightning to 4-in-1 camera card reader. I picked this up on Amazon Prime Day, just getting it in. I don't know, my order was delayed. It's $16.99 now. When I bought it, I got it for like 12 or 13 bucks, so I was able to save a few bucks on this. But I'll leave the link in the description if you guys want to pick this up. This is the 4-in-1 SDTF card reader, compatible with your iPhone, your iPad, your iPod, USB OTG camera connection kit. SD T-Flash card reader, work with hubs, keyboards, audio/MIDI interfaces, Ethernet adapter. And here's some pictures of things you can use with this. One key note that I wanted to point out here. So this is compatible with iOS 9.1 or later. And there it is there. So since I'm using something like LumaFusion here now to edit videos, my videos there, thought this would be nice, something nice to have. So that's why I ended up picking it up. This is my iPad Pro 10.5, and that uses the Lightning port, and also my iPod 10R. So this will be something key for transferring files and data. And since the new iPad OS is coming out, we're going to have a whole lot more things we can do with our devices as well. So since I'm planning on keeping that device, this is something that will come in handy. So here's the instructions here. If you guys can tell me what that says on that side. But this is your user's manual. That's what you get in the box there. And you also get your adapter here, reader. And this is very light, man, very lightweight, as you can see. You got your USB here, you got your full-size SD card slot there, your micro SD card, and then you got your Lightning charging port right there. Very lightweight. So what I want to do is I want to check this out and see how well it works. So let me get it plugged in to the iPad and we're going to check it out. Okay guys, so I have it plugged into the iPad. First thing I want to try out is see if this will charge it at the same time. And as you guys heard, or you can see, the light did turn green right there. So that part of it is working. Let's go ahead and try. I do have a SanDisk full-size card here. Let's see if that'll work. See how you get this in there. So there it is. See if it pulls that up. And immediately it does pull up everything on the card. So that was almost, it was really quick how fast that pulled that up. So I'm going to go ahead and take the little SD card out of here and just try the SD card by itself and see if it'll read it. And there it is, as you can see. So everything is working great, and you can transfer these files to your device there. Okay, so I do have a full-size USB here, a little Spider-Man. Let's plug him in and see if he'll work. So it's plugged in there, and immediately it pulls up my files. So this is going to be great, man. Something to have here. So I'm going to try it on the iPhone as well, since they advertise this as working with the iPhone as well. So there it is. It is charging now. Let's try the card here. Full-size card. See if it'll work. So that is plugged in to the iPhone. And there, as you can see, I can see my files there. So let me get out. Let me try the little Spider-Man here. All right, so there that is, and as you can see, it came up. So this is a great little device to have, guys. Lightning 4-in-1 camera card reader. And I would definitely leave the link in the description if you guys want to pick this up. Will H, catch y'all in the next video. I'm out.